In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of exploring the recipe card for your recipe. Begin by navigating to the Recipe Builder page. As you scroll down, locate the Recipe Card button near the Nutrition Breakdown. A single click on this button instantly transports you to the recipe card for your current recipe, offering a clear view of essential details like macronutrients, ingredients, and allergens, all neatly organized for quick reference. Adding preparation instructions is easy. Just click Add Preparation Instructions. To make sure your recipe is presented the same way every time, include an image with the Add Image option. This will not only ensure consistency in presentation, but help your kitchen staff visualize the dish during preparation. You can also easily print the recipe card straight from the software, making it simple to share with your kitchen staff, employees, or anyone else involved in the cooking process.